um tiki mais avançar, no sentido que todo curso que nós oferecer está riba honors nível. E aceita, obviamente, vai ser hobby mais atrativo para nós. Nós a conversar com diferentes equipes de escola aqui e nós dentro da conversação ora nós a regressar para por ser diferente acordo para o que trata nos estudantes e acesso que nós boga para os estudantes por estudar na diferente escola na América. Com hobby prazer, me pode anunciar que nós chega na acordo que tem dois componentes hobby importantes na gele. Tá para nós por ter acesso para os estudantes imediatamente, mirando que nós passa a deadline de aplicação, mesmo que toda outra escola na América, que normalmente está rond em januário, pero em caso que não há exceção, e sei agora brinda a oportunidade para os estudantes por ainda alsnog aplicar para o fall semestre. Banda dia sei, obviamente, dos aspectos muito importantes da acessibilidade financeira para os estudantes. E na essa aqui também St. Mary's College of Maryland dona-nos a oportunidade para por ter dois diferentes tipos de beca que é aplicável para os estudantes, que junto e ahorita 13 lo que nos chama tuition fee na mesmo nível qual também está agora considerar in-state. Nós estamos muito contentes com o passo aqui e nós estamos convencidos que isso aqui também é algo sumamente beneficioso para os estudantes e que nós que já acabam de mencionar que tem uma aplicação quadrante. Depois, prometo que nós anunciar formalmente que nós temos um acordo com nós mira que isso aqui já acaba algo que está muito interessante para os estudantes. We are very pleased. As you can see on the screen, we have, this is a virtual signing this morning since we were not able to be present either in Maryland or in Aruba. Next time, I think that we will need to do a follow-up meeting here in Aruba. I'm sure that maybe some of the folks in the room may not mind. And it's certainly something that for us, we've been seeking partners and in collaboration at the university and college level. And our meeting with the team of St. Mary's really struck a chord with us. And we really, it resonated in terms of what we were looking for in a partner for our students of Aruba. Albeit in a very small setting, Aruba is certainly can bring a unique contribution to the diversity that I think universities in the U.S. are looking for, and at the same time, we recognize that this would certainly be a major benefit for our students to gain access to such a prestigious and well-respected university college in the U.S. So we are certainly pleased to be able to sign today, and we see that this is just the start of a very long and productive relationship for both us in terms of a country being able to collaborate with the university and certainly for our students. And as I said, I think the next time we'll have to continue the discussions in terms of what else we can do together, but here in Aruba. I would like to introduce right away the president of St. Mary's, Dr. Tejuanda Jordan, and her staff. Maybe you can introduce everybody that's in the room.
Well, thank you very much. It is absolutely a pleasure for us to be involved in this occasion with you, and we do look forward to continuing this in the future and seeing it grow, perhaps. With me today, I have our Vice President for Enrollment Management, Gary Sherman, the Executive Associate to the President, Cynthia Gross, our Provost, Dr. Michael Wick, and then our Transfer Student Coordinator, John Barger. So I'm just going to read my statement right now. Thank you. The agreement being signed today is the first such agreement ever undertaken between the College of St. Mary's College of Maryland and an entire nation. This agreement will create an opportunity for bright and talented students from Aruba to enroll in a high-quality educational experience that St. Mary's College provides. One of the top priorities in our new strategic plan focuses on offering all students a well-rounded and global experience here at our college. This agreement will help build our enrollment of international students who will benefit from being at St. Mary's College, and our students will benefit from the diversity and unique views the international students bring to the campus. The community will benefit from this diversity as well. The connection which began the process of eventually reaching this agreement started with a meeting between our Vice President for Enrollment Management and our Provost at the Secretary of State's office, John Wobensmith, in early May. The opportunity to collaborate was vividly apparent. Discussions began immediately to secure an agreement. St. Mary's College hopes to see students arriving on campus as soon as this fall. The Minister of Education for Aruba sees students heading to our college as a huge advantage for their students. It is recognized that Aruban students find the American educational opportunity a great fit, so the excellent environment at our college will be of a huge benefit. Thank you.
Okay, so I think without further ado, we can put some pen to paper.
That's right.
Yeah. Now all the flashes will go off. Vice versa. Wonderful. Are there any questions? So sorry, the questions for me, and it's in Pavimento, so I'll just switch over to Pavimento. Maneira ta conhecica aba nós tem vários acordos. No tour ta mes um course, dan tem diferença não. Essa aqui tá algo que nossa firma para eigenlijk tá para 4 anos. Eta reconhecer hoje Aruba como partner e maneira Dr. Jordan acabou de mencionar. Essa aqui é promete que não afirma conjuntamente com país. E esse tapone que hoje tem certas estipulações aqui não. Que dona nos estudiantes acesso na diferente aspectos, entre outros, é parte de housing, que tem uma garantia de esse, é parte de beca, como me mencionou acaba. E essa aqui está de 5 que nós temos. Pois nós temos com South Carolina, University of South Carolina, nós mencionamos também no passado Coastal Carolina, nós temos FSU, nós temos FIU, e Seneca, eigenlijk essa aqui vira número 6 em total. Pois seguro essa aqui nota é último, nós está bugando para mais de tipo de acordo aqui, simplesmente para sobre nós querer que é parte de opção da roupa importante para os estudantes não. Que não portem é hora é variação é não ta escolher é instituição é escola que não ta wak que tem bom fit que não aspiração não de enseñanza e esse sempre te queda algo que nós lo queda expandir para sobre nossa que nota one size fits all. Cada quem tem diferente interesse lo que te trata profissão, então com experiência com essa aqui por duna, seguro nós vai com mais oportunidade, mais opção, com esse lo contribuir ora na uma experiência bem mais positiva para nós estudantes não. Okay, so there's a question for you. The question is, what is the current international student population at St. Mary's?
Right now, the international student population is around 10%, or but less than 10% of our students.
So less than 10%,
Yes.
is that correct?
Yes.
Oh. So then the follow-up question is, where would you, or what is the goal to get to? Is there a specific goal in terms of percentage of international?
At this point, we would imagine that we might go as high as 20% international in the near future.
Great. Great. Wonderful. Okay. I think that there are no more questions. So the only thing that we can say at this point is congratulations and thank you for the opportunity. We look forward to continuing, I think, further dialogue in terms of what else can be done to facilitate this process. And we're going to do our job at communicating this with as many students as possible. So I could imagine that over the next couple of weeks, you probably get some calls that show 297 at the front of that telephone number. Then you know Aruba's calling.
Well, we look forward to it, and we will do our best to have your students feel welcome and get an excellent education here.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jordan. Thank you to the rest of the team.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.